Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the job site. Here we are, back in a house we did last year in November. Came out pretty awesome. We're working on it again today. We're doing rough sawn vinyl cedar shakes. Goes on pretty easy. So let me show you what we got going on. We're just getting started back here. We got the front left to do. We got a little bit over here. So you get a box of these vinyl. First thing you do is get these directions. Don't need that. Second thing you do, these are your vinyl pieces. They lock on all the way around. So you got to cut a set. We just cut it into thirds. There's the first set, come right off the corner. Then they all go left to right. It's important. Then your next shorter one, and after that they're full. You guys know that. But they lock in this side. They lock in the bottom. They lock in the other side. And they get nailed on the top. Pretty good. What else? Here's some starter. It's a little different. Just gets nailed on. And then the bottom locks right onto there, onto that lip. Just like that. Look how nice that is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, and the corners. All you do on them corners, you hold it back 2 1/4 inches, and then these corners get clicked on. That one goes on, gets 2 nails. This one locks onto that one. 2 nails. You work your way up. You probably got to cut the top one. This is some easy stuff to put on, and it looks really nice on your house, but kind of expensive. But is it worth it? I think it is. Alright, take a look, see what we got going on around the house. This is all we got left right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners here. And then this is all done. We got done last week. Jade the windows, put jade around all the windows, and just work your way around there. It comes out beautiful. Here's your corners. Corners just click on there. This is the front of the house right here. They're putting stone on that chimney. So that's it. We'll do a walk around there. I'll show you the whole house. It's come out beautiful. Stone on the chimney. They're going to put wood on these headers and posts. That'll make it look finished. Right here is a perfect example of the corner. All you do is hold this back 2 1/4 inches, and then the other ones clip right on there. That's what we got left here too, is the front of the garage. But this side's easy. Just a lot of J and some little pieces. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to set this up in time lapse. We kick some ass. Hey, Vern. So what Matt's doing here is a final piece on the top is just a rip. It snaps inside and goes inside that J, but you have to add a couple little brown nails to make sure it don't blow out over, a couple years or whatever. And then the siding, it's all loose. It's not nailed tight. It's all loose. It's just hanging there. You just hang vinyl. You don't pound it tight. A little pro tip there for you. So hey Vern, this siding really looks amazing and it's fairly simple to put on, but you really have to pay attention to the bottom and the sides where they click together. If you miss one and don't get locked in and you get up 2 rows, the only way to fix it is to take them off or try to get behind it with a flat bar and try to pop it up so it'll go back into the groove. It's kind of difficult. You just need to like really take your time and get it right the first time. That's the easiest way. Oh yeah, that's sweet. That's it guys, wrap it up. Hey Vern, we're all done, man. We're wrapping it up early today. Check it out. We got this vinyl shake done all the way around. Check it out. Got the J all done. Got all this done. This is a little tough with all these picks and scaffolding. We got her. All the corners are real nice. Inside corners are nice. All good. There you go, guys. That was the easy one for us. Vinyl siding. That's different and easy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. Like what you see, subscriptions are free. Subscribe, share, like. I need some viewers. I need some subscribers. I'm running low. Help me out here, bud. See ya.